Imagine you are trying to figure out the probability of something not happening. Maybe it is the chance that it will not rain tomorrow or that you will not win the lottery. How do you approach such a calculation efficiently? In probability, the complement of an event refers to all outcomes in the sample space that are not part of the original event itself. It is essentially the opposite outcome. If your event is A, its complement, often denoted as a prime or a superscript C, represents everything that happens when it does not happen. The core reason this concept is so powerful lies in the fundamental rule of probability. The probability of an event happening plus the probability of its complement happening must always add up to 1, or 100%. This is because between an event and its complement, all possible outcomes are covered, and there is no overlap. Understanding this relationship allows us to calculate difficult probabilities indirectly by simply subtracting the probability of the simpler opposite event from 1. This dramatically simplifies many complex problems. To use this concept, first identify the event you are interested in. Then, clearly define its complement. For instance, if the event is drawing a red card from a deck, its complement is drawing any card that is not red, meaning a black card. Once you have the probability of the original event, you simply subtract that value from 1 to find the probability of its complement. This strategy is particularly useful when calculating the probability of at least one occurrence, which can involve many individual cases. This elegant principle is a cornerstone of probability theory, known as the complement rule. It is not just a mathematical trick. It is a fundamental insight that highlights the exhaustive and mutually exclusive nature of events and their complements within a given sample space. Mastering this allows you to tackle probability questions that seem daunting at first glance with surprising ease. By grasping the meaning of a complement, you gain a powerful tool for simplifying probability calculations. You can transform complex problems into straightforward subtractions, making it much easier to determine the likelihood of things not happening or of at least one specific outcome occurring, ultimately boosting your analytical confidence.